We're cooking with the Robinsons, a family-owned business that offers a variety of craft blends created from quality herbs and spices.
If you ask us, flavor starts with family. So much of what we appreciate about food and seasonings has its foundation in the foods that we were introduced to growing up with a family that cooked it with us and for us.
That's why we chose to honor some of those family members by naming our blends after them.
Like Dottie, my grandma, who could cook a mean seafood gumbo. Or Frank, my dad, who's a rancher in South Texas and can entertain anyone at the dinner table.
Or like my grandmother Coy, who had 11 kids, was a pastor's wife, and can make the most delicious pork chops around. Or my dad Val, who showed me how to grill my first burger. Little did he know that that simple act would spark a lifelong passion for outdoor cooking.
Each of our blends are made in Texas for Texans and are uniquely crafted to enhance whatever you're cooking.
Our zesty garlic and herb includes lemon zest and will brighten up any vegetables or seafood dish. Our smoky Cajun and all-purpose barbecue includes smoked paprika, and this smoky, spicy flavor screams Texas in every bite. Lastly, we've incorporated coffee into our steak rub to include a rich and earthy flavor while creating the perfect crust on any steak or burger.
Our customers not only love the flavor, but they appreciate that each seasoning can be used for outdoor or indoor cooking alike.
It's not unusual at all for me to be smoking or grilling something out back and for Shaylin to come and grab the seasoning from me for something that she's cooking on the stovetop or in the oven.
We hope our seasonings create an atmosphere of simpler times and longer talks around the table.
But most of all, we hope they help you create the kind of food that will keep your family talking about you for years to come.